I try, but I can bear to fame my eventual disdain. Saying I'm avoiding pain, what it was like before I came. Shoving them into the dirt, showing what I'm really worth. I don't need to seem so curt, but it's your fault for getting hurt. What was I supposed to do? If I've been lose, what am I supposed to do when I'm the only one to lie to? I'm the winner, I'm perfect, I'm the batter's lucky charm. Swear I'm not a sinner, I'm not doing any harm. It's just a little pick-me up, I don't notice a thing. You better just appreciate the good fortune I bring.
Who am I to